There are many benefits for investment casting, which many people don't even know.
Investment castings allow you to cast in dimensions that are not obtainable in other processes.
We can cast items in that you actually can't machine it.
If you're making your part through machining, you're wasting a lot of time, a lot of material.
You don't have a bunch of chips on the floor, which is just dollar bills you're throwing away.
Where an investment casting could cast you a part near net shape.
A lot of engineers, when they're designing a part, they don't realize the savings that they could achieve through investment casting. We can reach a near net shape quicker than they could machine it.
In fact, we could put 20 complex parts on one tree, get it cast before your machinist could set up on just part number 2.
The nice thing about investment casting, you have consistency. From one part to the next, it's cookie cutter.
Many of our parts are used as is after casting without any machining.